So first and foremost, you got to really cast a vision, right? How are you going to help them to grow and scale? And not only scaling and selling more homes, but really scaling in terms of the operations, in sort of systems, in terms of attracting agents as well as the staff so they can grow their team, they can grow their organization. In addition to it, what we offer to the top producing agents or team leaders is favorable caps, opportunity to own and have a partnership with our mortgage company, title company, as well as an insurance company, right? Because at the end of the day, it's one thing to generate income from selling real estate, but it's another thing to generate income, passive income, if you will, from mortgage, title, as well as the insurance. So that's important as well. And I think the last thing is the culture, is the environment. You know, they want to be a part of an environment where it's a winning attitude. They want to be part of the culture environment where everybody feels like they belong, they're part of the tribe, they're part of the community. Like, I'm an individual, I'm an entrepreneur that looking to grow, and I think any team leader out there, any top producing agent out there, I'm assuming they want to grow as well. They want to build an empire, might as well partner up together and grow it together versus kind of do it on your own without really getting that much support from your brokerage.